Well, YouTube, I'm having this problem with my car starting. They was talking about its inhibitor switch, but I have no no idea. Excuse me. See, my car will not start up for no reason. It started up yesterday, and the day before yesterday, I came in today. It had like a little bit of a start, but it started doing this. See that? So you can start it up in neutral, and then see no start. But that's reverse. Then that disappears. And it said go in here. Nothing. The brake light the brake light comes on when I do that. Drive. Nothing. Nothing. Not even a kick over or nothing. I haven't looked at that. Nothing. The brake light comes on when I put it in the park, and when I try to, it doesn't come on in reverse. The brake light comes on again at neutral, like something's holding it back or something, and it disappears. No drive. Well, if somebody can comment on this and let me know what's going on, I will be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Mazda MVP, year 2000.